Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Alicia. Kaya guys, may sing-sing ako. Tapos maganda yung forma natin. Dapat maganda din ang mukha. Pangit natin. Ayan natin. So, yung tissue. So, no? Babasahin natin yung tissue. Whee! Ito na guys. Basa ko na. She's perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, I wish one day imagine me can basura, but it's to say, basura. Eto guys. Don't say away that you long go back. Maybe on the coffee you're wet. Maybe on the law, go back. They say, for your sake, I love you to the more say, I love you at the funeral. I love you at the sick you. Hindi mo ganyan. Tayo tissue. I'm a chic at the your correct. And then it is your correct. Okay guys, ililipat ko sa guys. Santayin nyo lang ako. Hanap tayo dito. 2 times ko lang kasi para mabilis. Ito na. Ano, shiny. She's perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, I wish one day. Hindi ko pala nabuksan. Ako rin. She's perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, I wish one day. Pa. Hindi ko alam. Yan na. Okay na. Ha? Comment na lang kayong part 2. Bye!